my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope that you're doing great. If you're new, hi, welcome, it's Finse here. I am a biomedical scientist and a life coach currently doing a PhD on cancer research. And this channel is all about creating your healthy dream life. It is springtime now, so in this video I wanted to talk about the health benefits that having indoor plants can bring to our life, and also what things you can do to refresh and enjoy spring. Spring is full of new opportunities. New life happens when spring arrives. Blooming and blossom, birds singing, flowers showing their beautiful colors and fantastic aromas. So the very first thing that I would like to share with you is to do spring cleaning. The thing is to bring that new fresh spring air into our home. Open the windows, dry your laundry outside, under the sun. Cleaner air means easier breathing and more healthy breathing. Also take some time to declutter your home. Get rid of products that you don't use anymore. Use this time to start fresh and to have an environment that you like and that you enjoy. The second thing that I would like to share is to start something new. As I mentioned earlier, spring is full of new opportunities. So take this time to start those goals of yours that you have left behind, to take up on those challenges that you have been wanting to do for a very long time. It is time to see yourself beautiful, just the way you are, strong and confident. Changes are beautiful. Take a chance to improve and grow. And last but not least, spending time outdoors is the one thing that you need to do now with springtime. Get that fresh spring air, cleanse your lungs, absorb that vitamin D from the sun. Doing this will give you a boost in your energy levels and also increase your mood. Not only being outdoors is super healthy for the body, but you will get happier faster. Now I would like to talk about the benefits, the healthy benefits that having plants in our home can bring us. The first thing is that it brings warmth and nature. And the reason for this is because we are human beings and we come from the earth, we come from nature. So having plants at home is a way of having that, of bringing that life into our spaces. This is one of the reasons why having plants at home will help us, make us feel more at home and soothe us. The second benefit is that they're natural air purifiers. Plants improve the air quality of our homes. The roots and soil reduce airborne volatile organic compounds. Plants are able to remove toxins from the air and decrease the amount of CO2. It is also known that plants with larger leaf surfaces have this air purifier characteristic really increased. There is a list of which plants are the best in purifying the air of our homes, specifically in our bedroom. You sleep better at night when having plants in your room. The third benefit is the increased creativity and productivity. Plants are able to sharpen your attention and your focus. People perform better at work and take less sick days when working in an environment with plants. Plants have demonstrated to increase productivity on people when having plants around rather than on a place without any. The fourth health benefit that I would like to share is that plants are able to decrease stress. Stress causes so many different diseases, so it is really important to reduce stress and have it under control as much as possible. Plants are able to do this. Of course, there are a lot of things you need to do in order to take care of yourself and reduce your stress levels. But having plants already helps. The fact of indoor gardening reduces stress responses and balances heart rate and blood pressure. It has been demonstrated that plants are therapeutic. Not only it helps people with depression, anxiety, and dementia to increase well-being, but also help people to recover from diseases, injuries, and surgery. Okay, love, so this is the video for today. I really hope that you liked it and enjoyed it. If you liked it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch more, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell button to get notified of my new videos. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next video. Mwah.